What is it? Huh? You gonna... Is that right? Is that right? Oh, don't you start getting nasty. Don't you start getting nasty. No. No, don't you start getting nasty. Are you my good girl? Huh? You better talk to me. You better talk to me. Are you silly? Huh? Are you a silly girl? Tegan. Oh, you are so silly. You are so silly. Uh-huh. You want to say hi to Grandma? Huh? Huh? Are you acting bashful? Huh? Are you acting bashful? What you doing? Uh-oh, let's sneeze. Bless you. Bless you. Goodness. Goodness. Get that little nose. I get that little nose. Yes, I will. Oh, yes, I will. I'll get that little nose. I'll get that little nose. Yes, I will. Uh-huh. What are you doing? Huh? Are you being good? Huh? You being good? What you got to say? Huh? What you got to say? Well, isn't that something? Huh? Can you say Mama? Pretty close. Can you say Dada? Okay, we'll take that. We'll take that. Oh, you gonna show everybody how quickly your mood can change? Huh? Show everybody how quickly. Show everybody how quickly your mood can change. Don't you start crying. Don't you start crying. I think you were trying to say Mama. Yeah, Mama. What? What's the matter? You better stop that. You better stop it. You better, hey. What's the matter? You better stop it. Oh, them old nasty mama kisses, I know. Alright, let's go make Tegan happy. Let's go make Tegan happy.